Let us solve another word problem on the applications of HCF. 48 biscuits, 60 chocolates, and 72 candies are to be packed into the largest possible identical pockets without any item left over. Find the number of packets. Hint: if the question asks about making the largest possible equal groups without any item left over or with minimum leftovers, then we need to find the HCF. Let us find the HCF of 48, 60 and 72 using common division method. Please use the divisibility rules to solve the problem. Start dividing 48, 60 and 72 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides all the integers exactly, we get 24, 30 and 36. Again, start dividing 24, 30 and 36 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides all the integers exactly, we get 12, 15 and 18. Again, start dividing 12, 15 and 18 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide all the integers exactly, move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides all the integers exactly, we get 4, 5 and 6. Stop here since no other prime number can divide 4, 5 and 6 simultaneously. Finally, multiply all the common prime divisors. In this case, they are 2, 2 and 3. Therefore, HCF of 48, 60 and 72 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 gives you 12. So, the largest possible number of identical pockets is 12. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more tricky word problems on HCF, please subscribe to my channel and watch the complete playlist.